So now, so let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our CADJPY. So guys, let's start with the trend right here. What can we say the trend is on our CADJPY? It is very clear right here. Overall trend on CADJPY is in an uptrend move. But before we go ahead to predict what markets will be doing for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's see what CADJPY is actually going to be giving us for the day. Starts with a trend. What is the trend? So you can clearly see that CADJPY is in an uptrend move. This is our overall trend right here. So this is the movement right here, which is the high, and this is the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is what the higher low right here. Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high, right? Then this is the higher low right here. This is the higher low. Now the market has given us the higher low, right? We should be expecting market to continue that movement till it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our CADJPY. So we should be expecting CADJPY to push up and give us a new high. So that is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our CADJPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. Let's go down to the forward time frame. So if you take a look at this right here, you can see that there is a multiple rejection zone right here. There's a multiple rejection zone. So, and you can see that at this zone right here, market is rejecting multiple times. This is one of the reasons why we are having candlestick wicks sticking out. It is because market is failing to break below. So with such a movement, we should expect market to then push up again. Now, guys, this is to tell you that the bullish move is what we should be expecting on our CADJPY. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the next updates.